Well, I finally did it. I finally hit it. Finally got tired of waiting on these seals giving loose. So I put an oil on it and cutting around the edges with that saw because it's the only one thin enough to get actually in between the two. And I just got the old screwdriver with my safety squints on and went at it right here. Am I proud of it? No. Am I glad it's done? Yes. Well, this one's did its purpose. But yeah, it's finally all apart. This rubber seal looks real good. Looks pretty good. It's the back side. The back side was a lot easier, but I didn't want to get it off because it could only be removed from this side. With this side, it had the screws on it from this guy. It goes on the back and it covers the centrifugal unloader valve right there. So I just put those back in and it was on, and I just bottomed those out. Went around in a circle to get it. But yeah, I do use more of the stuff on it. The Cosmoline on the bearings, just to make sure everything stays the way it is and not rust. And these are the pistons. So hopefully next step is to start sandblasting at my school. Oh, and to here's the oil drain plug that I was talking about that got broken off. So I'm gonna have to somehow remove that, and that would be easy to remove too. It's the glass. I might get a new one. But yeah, it's official. It's finally apart fully. Yeah. And that's the crankshaft. Very little wear. That's just color right there. There's actually no grooves in it. That's probably just from it sitting for a while. But yeah, everything looks real nice and basically new. Whatever was in oil is new. So, yep. Next step is to sandblast.